In the previous video, I covered how to visualize distortion. In this video, I will cover how to quantify distortion. Regarding the instructions on the Humboldt State Geospatial online website, I am on step 29. For the next steps in this activity, you will need to open Excel and create this table. You're going to choose 4 different projections and record the distortion values. Back in Blue Spray, uncheck the box Allow Areas From, then pick a projection. In this example, I'm going to choose the Robinson projection. You can choose any projection you like. Now, with the full projection displayed in the Projection Explorer, take a screenshot. On a PC, you can hold down the Alt key and press Print Screen. Just make sure that the Projection Explorer is the active window. Now open a blank Microsoft Word document. While in Microsoft Word, press Ctrl-V or right-click and paste. Now I'm going back to Excel and typing in the name of the projection on my table. You might want to include a caption in Microsoft Word as well. In Blue Spray, I'm going to try to center the projection on the dream island that I created in the previous activity. My island was off the coast of New Zealand, so I'm going to try and guess the longitude. Okay, 175 degrees longitude looks pretty good. You might have to play around with the numbers to get the map to center on your island location. Now I'm going to send this map to the main Blue Spray application. Before I do that, I want to make sure that all of the distortion types are checked. Then I'll click Send to Scene and close the Projection Explorer. This is where things can get a little confusing. In the next steps, I want to check the distortion values near my island. Right now, all of the distortion types are turned on. The best thing to do is to turn them all off and check them one at a time. In the table of contents, you should see each of the distortion types: conformal, horizontal, vertical, and areas. If you don't, that could mean that not all the boxes were checked when you clicked Send to Scene. To view one distortion type at a time, click the eyeball to turn it on or off. So first on my table is horizontal distortion. I'm going to turn off everything else. The horizontal distortion values are recorded along each of the horizontal lines. They don't cover the whole map, so I'm going to have to make a judgment call and click on the nearest line. Click the eye tool and then click the line closest to your island location. A small window will pop up with the distortion information. What I want for my table is the distortion value. Copy and paste the number into your Excel table, then close the pop-up window. Back in Blue Spray, I'm going to repeat these steps for each type of distortion. With the conformal distortion, you will have to click the closest dot. Once you are done, go back to the Projection Explorer and repeat these steps for 3 more projections.